Here's what's inside detail kit number 3. We have the Proje Redline Wheel Cleaner. This is a patented Proje blend that is safe and effective on all rim surfaces, especially those very delicate rims. It's a quick way to remove all the dirt and grime without risking any damage to the rim surface. We have the Vital Car Wash Soap. And what's awesome about this car wash soap, unlike the others, is that it quickly removes any dirt, grime, or buildup around the vehicle without removing any paint protection. So if you have a wax, sealant, or a coating on the vehicle, it is not going to be diminished by the Vital Car Wash Soap. Next up is the Fusion Tire Dressing. With its patented adjustable shine technology, it allows you to adjust the shine according to what your preference is. If you like a lot of shine, it can do that. If you like less shine, it can do that too. All that without flinging down the side of your car in the Fusion Tire Dressing. Genesis Glass Cleaner. Now the Genesis Glass Cleaner is great at removing fingerprints, smudges, or buildup on your windows without streaking. This is a non-streak formula, guaranteed not to streak. The Proje New Car Scent, scientifically proven to make you feel better when you sit inside your car. And unlike the other guys, it's not gonna give you a headache. So the rim and tire brush is very versatile. It is aggressive enough to clean a rim without scratching the rim itself, or it can be used with tire dressing to apply a nice layer of dressing around the tire. The microfiber wash mitt is very unique in the fact that you can actually stick your hand inside of the middle of the mitt for full control. Therefore, it's not going to drop on the ground accidentally or go to a part of the panel that you don't want it to go to on the car, or you can just hold it simply in your hand. Microfiber blue applicator is nice because it's moldable and foldable to get into every crevice of your car. It's also edgeless, so you don't have to ever worry about scratching or inducing swirl marks in your car's paint. The silk window towel. Now what's unique about this silk towel is the silkiness. It doesn't, with a high pile microfiber towel, a lot of that dirt and grime that you're removing from the window can hide within the fibers. When you have a really low pile silk towel like this one, there is no hiding. That enables you to get a streak-free window every time. It's the Proje Detail Kit Box that all these products come in. Now the benefit to having the box is not only does it look great while it sits in your trunk, but you're not gonna have loose bottles rolling around. You're not gonna have your mitts being contaminated or your towels being contaminated by other products or other things that may be going on inside your car or garage. They all fit snugly and look good in the Detail Kit Box. If you were to buy these products individually, it would be over $120 plus shipping. But if you buy it today as Detail Kit number 3, you're gonna get it for $60 with fast, free shipping. So you can pick up your Proje Detailing Kit number 3 right now by heading over to projeproducts.com.